When you live stream sports as a solo operator, getting your cameras and tripods and networking gear and all your equipment cases to the field is a production all of its own. And at 68, my back and knees didn't appreciate me hauling that weight around in my old wagon. But I found a new solution, and it's got a motor. This is the Overmont 200-liter powered wagon. And now a 300-watt motor does the work. Hi, I'm Mike Sabatini for SabTech One-on-One. Let's take a closer look. Two mesh holders on each end of the wagon hold your smaller items or bottled water, and the rear zippered panel opens to accommodate longer items. I can easily load several cases, tripods, and other equipment with room to spare. The removable battery charges with your own USB-C charger and installs quickly. The wagon's motor has 3 forward and reverse speeds, plus an electronic handbrake, all controlled from the handle. With the wagon loaded, Speed 1 worked really well on level pavement, but struggled a bit on uneven grass. Switching to Speed 2 was perfect. I tested the Overmont wagon on a steep asphalt slope. Locking wheels held the wagon in place for loading, and once unlocked, a push on the throttle got it moving easily. Speed 2 was best for a comfortable uphill walking speed. Speed 3 was too fast, for me anyway. And going downhill, I let it coast and apply the electronic brake when needed. I wish that braking system were a bit stronger, but it did the job. Packing the wagon is easy. Press the lock release on the handle and snap it in place. And pull up from the yellow strap to fold the wagon, and then secure it with the hook and loop strap. It weighs 31 pounds empty and loads conveniently into my vehicle. Overmont states a 330-pound capacity with up to a 4-mile range. With my typical load of around 150 pounds, I expect to get through several events between charges. This wagon was a great purchase, especially for my aging back and knees, and does exactly what I need it to do. I'm Mike Sabatini for SabTech One-on-One. I'd like to see your equipment lugging solutions, so please share them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care, friends, and we will talk again soon.